Malika, are you excited? Malika?
I'm excited too, Maria.
Thank you. If Zuri was still, get your tickets. Hey guys, so we are at Grande Prairie Stampede, which is a carnival or a fair as we call it in Jamaica. Once a year, it happens here in the city, so we are here again this year. We just got a ticket thing. Can you show me that this? So we got this pass right here because, as you guys know, Malika has autism, so she can't stand in the line. So we get this as a pass, so she doesn't have to stand in line. So we're gonna get tickets right now so we can go on some rides. Are you excited, Malika? Yeah, Malika, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and get tickets. You think I'm scared? Yeah. You think I'm scared? Nah, not doing that, not doing that. Hold on, hold on. Good job holding on, Malika. Wala no, asal masalah. Selesai. Malika, hi. Yeah, go with mommy. I play 2 hours in the gym tomorrow. Eh? Both of you mean who do 2 hours in the gym tomorrow? Both of you? Huh? Go to the merry-go-round, Malia. For that video. Malia. What about this one, Bill? Should I go on this one? Oh, so it's 4 per pod.
Sorry.
pieces.
Bits and pieces of
That was
going
nice, see?
on the rides. I know you know something you want to go on anyway. Something there. The tree and we grow on it. And all of them something there.
Yep. So, Basita doing what kind of pasta?
Anti-Eva can make go. Anti-Eva can. That's why I know places that Anti-Eva make sure she pack me up. And she can't places. My parents don't carry me gun nowhere. Just can't go and keep them in Manchester, that's it.
Yeah guys, so officially leaving the Grande Prairie Stampede. There's different sections to the Stampede, but the part that we went is really just the fair part. You have rodeo show, truck wagon race, no more different things, but we haven't experienced that part yet. But it's on our to-do list. But for this part, we just took the kids and ourselves to experience some of the rides. Nuts brought out our inner kid. It was a very fun day. It was a very fun experience. Actually, it was raining the entire day, so we never know that we were gonna be able to make it. But of course, we live in the great north, which the weather changes so frequently. So from not being sure if there's gonna be sunlight to it being like really sunny.
9:15 in the night.
9:15 in the night. That's how it is. Malia is crying because, of course, kids don't know when it's time to go home. But that's just how it is, right? Well, what can I say? For the first couple of years that we lived there, we actually misjudged the Stampede. We were like, oh, it's not our thing, the other. But like we went last year and we had so much fun that we had
to the fair and we had fun, so we went this year again. Next year we're gonna check out the rodeo section and the other parts that comes with
get your cowboy hats, and your cowboy boots
and in the part.
Dressed in the part, oh you mean?
Yes.
So make sure you guys subscribe and stick around for next year because we're gonna show you guys, right? Show you guys.
Okay, I'll fix it.
What happened?
The bead. She took out the bead.
Malia, chill.
I'll put it in for you, baby girl.
Okay. Anyways guys, we'll end the vlog right here. If you guys like this vlog, please let me know in the comment section. If you guys are from Grande Prairie, what do you guys think about the Stampede? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Until next time, see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.